Hello, this is Saif, an artist over at Marmaid Beach Resort on a sunny, scorching hot Sunday afternoon. You can see this installation behind me. That's like in the shape of a semicircle, I think done by this very prolific artist, RONNI AHMMED. And I don't know which way to start, how he imagined it, but I'm gonna start left to right. Okay. Now, that looks to me like it looks like a turtle. Hey, it's a cosmic turtle. Spaceship landed on Earth, visiting green Earth. And yes, well, the bottom part reminds me of a tongue, like Rolling Stones' tongue. I'm going to go with tongue because I like the Stones and I like tongue. What can I say? Wow, look at this. Ooh, that can be so many things. But I see two eyes, a porthole, looking in. Hey, man, third eye. And the other one probably looking out. And then there's like nice contoured shapes, some kind of being. Well, from the cosmic turtle, maybe these beings they're visiting Earth. Hey, look at that. Catwoman face. And her face is a portal. She got very sexy lips. And below that, we have a swan and some bovine making out. Hey, well, maybe they're breathing life, but I see make out. Okay, there's I don't know, some kind of extraterrestrial being or subterranean beings, I don't know. There's that eye on one. Here's a face, and then like some buck fell in the chest, and kind of whale fins or some shit. You know, extraterrestrial beings. I don't know what to call them. Oh, wow, look at this. Terracotta style. I believe these are wooden, but nicely done and stapled together. They were probably the door to a salon or something, or a wardrobe. And look at that. Bird one end, fish on the other. Hey, swimming bird, flying fish. And the second piece of that swinging door. And look at there. Yes, that's probably Neptune, king of the subterranean world. Some alien deep sea diver, I don't know. Another maybe giant squid come something with the porthole. They all have portholes. That's wonderful. And maybe they're like vortexes to, going back to wherever the cosmic turtle came from. This porthole has a snake around it. And coming out from some vortex or flower, or what do they call those things where you travel time distance in black holes? I'm having a brain fart, but I think you know what I mean. When you fold the paper and you can move fast. All right, here we have a bird with eyes and maybe 3 baby birds or something. Oh, ha ha. Dude, here is a singer, rock star, got a microphone. Yeah, belting it out. And the eye of fish. Hey, singing fish, rock and roll. And then there's this guy. Dude, head on some kind of tower pedestal. Eyes sticking out. Maybe it's a shrunken head. I don't know. So that is the installation in its entirety, but pretty cool. I wonder what Ronnie has to say about this. I'm just giving my, just coming here and looking at it, and that's the impression I got. Art is in the eye of the beholder, and beholden. All right, Saif F'nArtiste, checking out. Have a great day.